What is up, vlog? On today's video, we're gonna be making some pizzas, redneck style. What are you doing here?
Living the dream. Showing you guys how to do barbecue.
This won't even pull your face. It don't really want to focus on you.
So I wanted to talk to you about that raise.
No.
You didn't even listen.
Hey, we're busy filming right now. So anyways, we were going through Walmart yesterday. We saw some pizzas. We was like, man, let's make some pizza for lunch tomorrow. And so we grabbed a couple pizzas. And then we thought, man, what if we just redneck deep dished them? So we're gonna cook them and then stack them on top of each other, and then eat them. So that's the plan.
What if we cook them on top of each other?
I don't think that'll work.
You don't think that's gonna work?
Cook them individually, then stack them on top of each other, then eat them. All right, that's the plan. You good?
Stop it. I'm fine.
You good?
It's over with.
No wing dust on it?
No wing dust.
Is it up to temp? So we're gonna cook it on the Kamado. Hold on. Throw it off, bro. We're trying to get it up to temp right now. We're sitting at 300, but almost 300.
We're opening up the hatches.
We're trying. So, yeah. I hope this works, man.
You and me both.
I hope it works. So let me show you the pizzas we got. So yeah, these are the, we got just a 5 cheese.
Not 4 cheese.
Traditional
5.
crust. And then we got 2 ultimate meats, traditional crust. And the plan is, we're gonna go meat one, cheese one, then meat one, and that's how we're gonna eat them.
That's how the pros do it. This is the secret right here. What do you call it? Is this fire management 201?
This is Kosmo should always light the fire.
Kosmo should always light the fire? You didn't start the fire!
We're gonna leave it off. First one down is the, what is it, the meat lovers? I'm hoping about, what do you think, 10 minutes? 10 minutes or so, 15 minutes?
Yeah, check it then.
First one down, this is gonna be good.
Matt, we've been getting a lot of emails about when the next installment of Cooking with Matt will be uploaded. What's your schedule like?
You know, it's got a tight schedule, but soon, very soon.
We've just never seen a talent like yours before.
You know, some people got it, some people don't.
It's like, you can't, it's hard to put into words.
I mean, like I said, you know, some have it, some don't.
What do you think?
You know what, I like that.
Looks good, huh? I'm gonna put this little rig on.
We're going cheese?
Cheese next, buddy.
The children's pizza.
Tell them that story.
No, I'll tell them.
Tell them the cheese pizza story.
I'll come clean.
All right. So I went to Sam's Club a couple weeks ago. We were gonna get. By the way, here in Oklahoma they changed their pizza recipe, and it's pretty good. I mean, it was good before, but man, I don't know what they did, but it's tasty. So I call it in, I go get some pizza, I come back. I got a meat lovers, a cheese, and a pepperoni. I didn't understand that Kosmo he's got problems with cheese pizza. Oh, there's Alex taking off. He's a little hot rodder. He had his Mustang. He's probably gotten more tail in the last 6 months than I have in my whole life. That's not beside the point. So I come back with the cheese pizza. Kosmo goes, somebody's kid's up here? What'd you get a cheese for? It's children's pizza. I was like, well, somebody might eat it, man. Lord knows we eat enough meat around here.
Yeah, cheese pizza's for kids.
Relax. Cheese is for kids. Right?
Just calling it how I see it, bro. Just calling it how I see it.
Tell me about your shirt. That's a cool shirt.
Working on a new Cosmos Cube merch site. This is one of the samples. I've already got it dirty, but I like it, man. It fits well. I like the feel of them.
I was gonna say that. Didn't you tell him to make the shirt make you look ripped?
Yeah, it does
I hate
too.
to say
Look
it.
at that rig.
I hate to say it, man, but you might need to take that back to the drawing board. I'm just trying to be a friend.
You build me up rather than tear me down, then.
Yeah, I gotta tear you down some.
Dude, this Komado is churning them out, man. Look at that. So here's our second layer. Dude, it smells good. Get this last rig on.
Oh, dude, I wasn't recording.
You're kidding, right?
Yeah, I am kidding.
Dickhead.
You just used like a playground insult. Idiot. you stupid head.
You didn't. I was gonna call you something else. This is our redneck deep dish pizza.
The hillbilly deep dish.
The hillbilly deep dish. What do you think, bro?
All right.
Oh, what do you think, brother? I don't even know about.
You gonna eat that with a fork?
Nah.
You'll never live that down.
You gotta go at this with your hands, man. So hey man, leave me a comment down below. What kind of pizza do you guys like to make on your smoker or grill or outside or whatever? And hey man, I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.